Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access gallery view in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your main Zoom dashboard where you can see all your meeting options and scheduled calls. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting. You can do this by tapping the New Meeting button on your home screen. This will immediately launch a new meeting session where you can invite participants or simply use it to explore the different view options available on mobile. Now, once your meeting has started, you'll notice that by default, Zoom typically shows you in speaker view. This means the app focuses on whoever is speaking at the moment, displaying their video prominently on your screen. However, if you want to see all participants at once, you'll need to switch to gallery view, and here's how you do that. Simply swipe from right to left on your screen. Keep swiping until you reach the gallery view option. This gesture-based navigation makes it easy to toggle between different viewing modes without having to dig through menus or settings. The gallery view is particularly useful when you're in a meeting with multiple participants and want to see everyone's video feed simultaneously rather than just focusing on one person. And that's it. You can now see everyone on Zoom in a grid layout, making it much easier to monitor all participants during your meeting. This view is especially helpful for team meetings, webinars, or any situation where you want to keep an eye on everyone's reactions and participation at the same time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.